Hello, everyone. My name is Devin Bridges, and I am a learning strategist at Planet Technologies. Today, I will show you how to create a Microsoft Word template, a great way to save time and ensure that your documents always look professional. Let's jump in. Now, once I am ready to save my document as a template, I'm going to go up to File in the top left corner. I'll save a copy of this document as a template. And right at the top center of the screen where you will have your name of the document, mine is Project Report Template, you can choose what type of document you want to save this as. So I'm going to left click on Word document here, and instead of a .docx, I'm going to look for a Word template, which is .dotx. I will select that, so I should see the name of my file as a Word template. We will go ahead and click Save. So for this, I am going to close out of this document. And I will go ahead and load up my File Explorer. From here, I'm going to look for that project report template. And I want to make sure that instead of the Word document that is selected, I want to select the Microsoft Word template. I'll go ahead and open this up. And you will see I have the template right here, not saved yet. Right now it's just by default named document 3. So I am able to use this document as my own. And now I can make any changes I would like, as this is a file I can work on as needed. And that's a wrap. Creating a Word template ensures that your documents are always organized, branded, and ready for use. Keep building your tech skills, and remember, growth comes from trying new things. Start creating your own templates today. Thank you.